And now, your first Alert 5 weather.
Another active day on our radar scopes, and we're looking at a couple of thunderstorms here. We do have a severe thunderstorm watch until 8 p.m. for Las Animas and Baca counties in the extreme southeastern corner of the state. Here's the latest little cell that's starting to develop here just to the south of Ruxton and Higbee. And as we move up towards Pueblo, you guys have a pretty healthy thunderstorm cell that's moving up Highway 78. So expect this here in the next 10 to 20 minutes moving over Pueblo. Canyon City, you guys are just missing out on this, but Penrose, you have another little cell just to the south of you. Heading up even further on I-25 towards Colorado Springs, a big line of showers and thunderstorms have developed here, ranging all the way from Eastonville all the way back towards Cripple Creek and even into the higher elevations there. But the one that we want to point out here is this little area in particular. Just a few moments ago, we had one of our icons pop up indicating that the potential for severe hail is there. So if your cars are outside just in Eastonville, as this is starting to hit you guys right now, it's continuing to move to the southeast out towards Falcon. So just make sure that you guys put your cars inside and just hunker down for the next half hour or so. Right now, this is the view towards Pikes Peak, and here's the end of that line of showers and thunderstorms that we were just watching. Current temperature in the Springs is 74 degrees, 82 down south in Pueblo at this hour under mostly cloudy conditions. Out on the eastern plains, 80s are the current temperatures with 70s scattered about for Lyman, Colorado Springs, and also Walsenburg with 60s for Woodland Park, Westcliff, and some 70s out in the San Luis Valley. So this is what we're looking at right now. It's another day of showers and thunderstorms. We start off with lots of sunshine, and then we get the daytime heating, but we also need that component of energy, and for that we have to go all the way out to California, because you notice here on the water vapor loop we have a counterclockwise swirl. This area of low pressure is stagnant. It's going to be there for the next 2 to 3 days, and as it does so, it's going to continue to send chunks of energy in our direction, and that's what's going to really help to ignite a lot of these showers and thunderstorms in the afternoons for not only today, but for tomorrow on Sunday and even Monday as well. So the forecast looks like this. Around 6 p.m. tonight, those thunderstorms, they start to congeal, cluster together, and they're going to be pretty intense on the eastern plains moving out there. But notice this, out just west of Canyon City in the northern San Luis Valley, we have another little chunk of energy coming from that low. So we're going to keep the chance for showers and maybe, just maybe, a light clap of thunder during the overnight period. But for the rest of us, I-25 eastward, it's going to be kind of a mix of stars and clouds during the overnight hours. Sunshine when you wake up. Also clouds in the forecast, but here we go again, another round of thunderstorms. By 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, we start to see those clouds building in the higher elevations down south for Walsenburg and Trinidad and the Raton Mesa. And here we go. For 4 o'clock, they move out on the eastern plains. Colorado Springs, Pueblo, La Junta, everybody's in the mix here as we look for another round of thunderstorms to develop along a stationary boundary here draped across the eastern plains. We also have a severe risk for tomorrow. Anywhere you see the light shade of green is a marginal risk. Now the slight risk, which is a greater intensity, has now expanded up towards Colorado Springs and even up towards northern Colorado. So the area has widened for tomorrow for the potential for some stronger winds and gusty winds and hail from some of those thunderstorms. Highs for tomorrow afternoon, lower 70s. We're going to increase the cloud cover as the day goes on. And again, right around lunchtime, that's where you see the clouds building and the chance for thunderstorms starting to move off the higher elevations. Upper 70s for the Pikes Peak region, lower to mid 80s for us here in Pueblo. Forecasts look like this over the next couple of days. 77 tomorrow in Colorado Springs. Yeah, it doesn't mean it's going to rain every day. It doesn't mean that everybody is going to see thunderstorms and rain showers over the next several days, but it is that time of year. We keep the icon in there each of the next several days. Pueblo, you folks as well. We start to see a bit of a break on Tuesday and Wednesday, and our temperatures take a dip because the area of low pressure out in California finally starts to move across the central part of the country, and then we start to see a break in the everyday thunderstorm routine. Canyon City, you'll start to see a break here by the time we get to Thursday and Friday, and our temperatures soar for next weekend, but for the next 2 days we're going to keep these thunderstorms in the forecast, and that's going to be almost to the point where you could set your watch to it, Zach, where you're talking about afternoon showers and thunderstorms with morning sunshine each and every day.